students, welcome back to our session. Today's session we are going to discuss the chapter trigonometrical identities. Trigonometrical identities. Just I am going to continue solving the problems. Question number 11. Prove the following. Prove the following. The first one, cot theta minus tan theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. Now just I am going to take the LHS part. We have here LHS is equal to cot theta minus tan theta. Cot theta we can write it as cos theta divided by sin theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Just I am going to substitute here. Cot theta is equal to cos theta divided by sin theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. The LCM for these terms are sin theta cos theta. So first I am going to multiply the first term with cos theta both numerator and denominator, sin theta into cos theta. The second term I am going to multiply with a sin theta into sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta is equal to cos theta into cos theta will get cos square theta minus sin theta into sin theta will get sin square theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Okay, now RHS we need to prove 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. Denominator we need to simplify the numerator. We need to find 2 cos square theta minus 1. Already we have 1 cos square theta. Let it be here cos square theta minus this sin square theta. I can write it as 1 minus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta is equal to cos square theta. Minus is common for both the terms, so we will get minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Cos square theta plus cos square theta will get 2 cos square theta minus 1 divided by sin theta cos theta. We have taken the LHS and we have showed the RHS value, hence it is proved. Now we will move to the next one. 1 plus 1 divided by tan square theta into 1 plus 1 divided by cot square theta is equal to 1 divided by sin square theta minus sin power 4 theta. LHS we have 1 plus 1 divided by tan square theta into 1 plus 1 divided by cot square theta. I am taking that LCM here, so we will get tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan square theta into cot square theta plus 1 divided by cot square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, the value is secant square theta into cot square theta plus 1, the value is cosecant square theta divided by tan square theta cot square theta is equal to secant square theta into cosecant square theta divided by tan square theta. Cot square theta I can write it as 1 divided by tan square theta. Tan square theta, it will get cancelled. We left with secant square theta into cosecant square theta is equal to secant square theta, we can write it as 1 divided by cos square theta into cosecant square theta, we can write 1 divided by sin square theta is equal to this cos square theta, just I am going to write it as 1 minus sin square theta. Here you have 1 divided by sin square theta. Just I am going to multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, so that we will get 1 into 1, the value is 1. 1 minus sin square theta into sin square theta is equal to 1 divided by sin square theta minus sin square theta into sin square theta, sin power 4 theta. So this is RHS value. We have taken the LHS and we have showed the RHS value, hence it is proved.